turkey Italian sausage creamy pasta. I have all the seasonings you can see. Sweet Italian sausage, which turkey brand, chicken stock, heavy whipping cream, red, orange, and green bell peppers, onions, and more seasonings. So let's get this ball rolling. All right, I'm adding about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And this is because our turkey has a no fat content. So we're gonna add that to keep it from sticking. Now I'm going to cook my meat, both sides, cook it through. We want the meat to be completely done. This is the sound I love to hear, that sizzle. That means I'm doing something. All right, we're gonna flip these on over here. And let them kind of brown on the other side. Then I'll take these out and start cooking my veggies. And then I'll slice these up. All right, now we can pull these out and then I'm going to add on my veggies. And while those veggies are cooking, I'm going to slice. It's time to add in my veggies and let them cook through. I'm adding in the onions, garlic, red peppers, green peppers, and orange peppers. Don't they look beautiful? I'm gonna let these cook until they're tender. Let that cook a little bit. Then we'll add our chicken stock. All right, now I'm going to add all my seasonings. Again, the seasonings and ingredients are listed at the bottom in the description box. So we're going to stir that up real good. Let them get coated. Where I'm going to add some chicken stock. I'm just eyeballing it, guys. Just to let that cook a little bit. I would say that's about probably maybe a half a cup. I would say about a half a cup. So we're going to let my pasta is boiling right now. We're going to go ahead and let this simmer a little more, and then I'm going to add in the next ingredient. All right, I'm gonna taste this sauce and see if I need anything. I think it needs a little more salt. Alright. Alright, now let me taste it again. And this is how I usually try to taste sometimes. Just grab a little and put it on the spoon. That's good. Alright, this is the heavy whipping cream. And I'm going to maybe put like a cup. This is 2 cups in this carton. I'm going to do about a cup. I'm going to let that cook. I think I need to add a little more pepper flakes. It's not really spicy. One thing about Italian sausage is it's never spicy. It doesn't have a spice to it, so I'm going to add a little more spice. This is regular paprika, and I'm going to also get some smoked paprika. And that'll give a little color to it. So we're going to let that cook some more. All right, now I'm going to add my meat. You see, I sliced it all up. So I'm going to add that in the skillet. Get that coated really good. I still haven't added my smoked paprika. I'm going to do that shortly. And let that thicken up. All right, now I'm adding in the pasta. And that's it, and it's all done. We'll let it thicken up just a little bit more, and we'll be ready. Well, the time has come for me to drop the mic, grab a fork, and throw down, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. Thanks for stopping by A Taste of Cafe Nailou, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Be blessed.